Balancing of redox reactions by using ion electron method. We are going to discuss today by using ion electron method. So this example I given here in acidic medium. Already I discussed previous my videos balancing equation by oxidation number method, both acidic and basic medium. Now I am going to discuss here in acidic medium by using ion electron method, which is the given each step we are going to be explained according to basic points. So this is the example which is given KMnO4 plus K2C2O4 in presence of first treatment. This is H2SO4. It acts as just medium. So MnSO4 plus CO2 plus K2SO4. How to balance this equation? Generally, redox reactions you can't balance by hit and trial method. So I'm going to discuss here by using ion electron method. What are the steps involving we'll discuss here. Divide the complete equation in two half equations, one representing oxidation and other reduction. If you observe by writing oxidation number, Mn is here plus 7 and here Mn is plus 2 and carbon is plus 3 here and this is carbon is plus 4. By writing oxidation states you can find out MnO4 converted into Mn2 plus means this reduction and C2O4 converted into CO2, this is oxidation. So I wrote here reduction half cell half equation, this oxidation half equation. This is oxidation half equation. I am writing ionic form, sir. This is ionic form. So reduction half equation, oxidation half equation. These are ionic forms. So you can remove ions, which is their cations you can remove. You can write only which is the changing atoms. Suppose I am removing potassium here, MnO4 minus. This is the only participating corresponding one only you can choose here, Mn. Here auxiliary ion going to be changed with the oxidation number. So choose only corresponding one which is that is CO2. Don't get confused. Remaining are just ions. We can remove that one. Their oxidation state doesn't change in reactants and products. Same. Which is changing in reactant product? Corresponding atoms or ions or molecules only we need to consider. So I consider here MnO4 minus that converted into Mn2 plus. So this is the only changing. Sulfate doesn't change their oxidation numbers. That's as it is you can keep. So you can remove that one. And here CO2. So this complete you have to take one molecule. Potassium reactant and products also same oxidation state you can remove. The next step, balance the atoms in each half reaction separately according to the following steps. So first step, first of all balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygens. So here how many atoms is there? 1 Mn, here also 1 Mn, already balanced. But here 2 carbons is there, but here only 1 carbon. By keeping 2, we can get atoms balance other than, okay. So other than hydrogen and oxygen, I balanced this one very clearly. Next step, so if the reaction takes place in acidic or neutral medium, oxygen atoms are balanced by adding molecules of water. Clear? Side wherever deficient. I'm balancing. Here, oxygen atoms, how many is there left side? 4. But here, how many atoms? There is no actual Mn2 plus, there is no oxygen atoms. But 4 deficiency is there. That's why I'm adding 4 water molecules. Wherever electron deficiency is there, that many water molecules you have to add here. Now here you can observe that one 4 oxygen atoms and 4 water molecules. Sorry, 4 oxygen here also. Left and right same number of oxygen atoms. So I don't want balance. Is it clear? And second point, we need to balance hydrogen atoms also. Is it clear? So this is the hydrogen atom balancing here. Atoms, while hydrogen atoms are balanced by adding H plus ions to the other side deficient in hydrogen atoms. Is it clear? This we are doing in acidic medium. So here, I think we got here 4H2O. How many hydrogens right side? 8 total, but left side we don't have. So I'm keeping 8. 8 H plus ions. I think so here no hydrogens left and right. This is already balanced one. Clear? And next one, equalize the charge on both sides by adding suitable number of electrons to the side deficient in negative charge. Here how much is there? M2 plus 2 positive charge. Here how much is there positive charge? -1 and 8 plus. So this is total plus 7. So by adding 5 electrons here, I can get total 6 negative and 8 plus. Resultant is 2 plus and here also 2 plus. Here will get total 2 positive charge net. Here also total 2 positive charge net. So both side balanced. You can observe that one left side is 2 minus 2 electrons. So right side nothing, sir. I am going to be add right side 2 electrons. Now left side is 2 negative charge and right side also 2 negative charge. So everything is balanced here charge. Is it clear? Next point, multiply the two half reactions by suitable integers so that the total number of electrons gained in one half reaction is equal to the number of electrons lost in the other half reaction. Already we know that one. Loss of electron equal to gain of electron. This is the basic principle. So now here 5 electrons gain, here 2 electron lost. How can we equal both? So by multiplying into 2 this is and this is into 5. Now check it here. How much you'll get? 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electrons gives rise 2 Mn2 plus 8H2. Similarly here 5 C2O4 2 minus plus 10 CO2 gives rise now this is gives rise 10 CO2 plus 10 electrons. This is the net equation. Okay, now both electrons is same we are getting. Now just we can add both equations, then you can get net equation, sir. So I'm adding here 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electrons gives rise 2 Mn2 plus 8H2. Now add two equations here 5 C2O4 2 minus, just I'm adding, sir, above equations only, gives rise 10 CO2 plus 10 electrons. Now add both equations. 10 should be cancelled. Check it, sir. 10 electrons will be cancelled. Here also 10 will be cancelled. What is the remaining here? 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 C2O4 2 minus plus 16H plus. I'm adding total left side arrow. Then right side also I'm adding only right side. 2 Mn2 plus 10 CO2 plus 8H2. Clear. Now compare this equation with your original equation which is they mentioned. So what is the original equation they mentioned? In terms of KMnO4, K2C2O4, H2SO4, MnSO4, CO2, K2SO4. Is it clear? I am going to be take in front of whatever number is there MnO4 and K2C2O4 minus, we are going to be add, you can see here. I am going to be compare that is. So 2 KMnO4 compare with original equation. Comparing with original equation. Yes, this is what we are doing, sir. 2 KMnO4 plus 5 moles of K2C2O4. How many oxide? That many K2C2O4. Plus here 16H plus means I can take 8H2SO4, sir. Because one H2SO4 will give 2H plus ions. Then 16H plus means I can take 8. gives rise 2Mn2 plus means MnSO4 that is present plus 10 CO2 plus 8H2O. Then how many potassium here? Can you check it? Total, this is 2 potassium and here 10. Total 12, sir. I can write 6 K2SO4 because that is also converted into SO4. Now check it total how many sulfates. You can count is it balanced or not. So only sulfate are remaining. Here 8 is SO4. So here 2 SO4s and here 6 SO4. So everything is balanced. You can check it. This is the final balance equation by using ion electron method. So I think so step by step we discuss here all the equations by following their methods. We'll try next basic medium also ion electron method. We'll try. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. I hope you understood. Please subscribe and share it. So you can get all the links. My channel name CDR Search Chemistry. Please check it. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.